Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome back to another episode of Two Wheel Talks. Grab your popcorn, get some drinks, and enjoy the show.
Okay, so moving forward to the next one. There's also a Formula M car, but I believe it is a 1000 GSX-R engine. So yeah, Dewet, what can you tell us about this one? What differs from, except for the engine, like, I mean, it's a bigger car and everything. It's probably a different class and all that.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, it's actually Herman Krieger's car. Class A, obviously, 1000cc, as Maniki said. GSX-R 2017 L7 motor. Much bigger, way bigger than the B class. And I must also say, out of all the single seaters that's in our monoposto group, this is quite one of the big boys there. Eh? I remember him having the Busa motor in here before, and like mad. So, but yeah, very spacious as well. It's more like my car at this stage after my honeymoon in December. But yeah, it is nice, big and spacious.
Okay, so you keep on bringing the word class up. Classes coming in. What separates the classes? Is it the CC? Is it the skill of a driver? What exactly does Class A mean? Class B mean?
Well, with the motorbike section, there's a Class A, B, C, and I think maybe it's sometimes up until D. So that determines the kind of level you at. A, good, B, and downwards. Whereas here we've got our A class, which is normally 1000cc and up. Then your B class is your 600s, and then your C class, if I remember that correctly, it's around about the 400s and downwards. That's more the kiddies or so section.
You can't enter if you're skilled, like a skilled driver. Can you enter with the 600 into the A class?
Well, we all drive together, right? So interesting one. We've got a B class boy, Aiden Morrow. He is with me in the B class. And he gives some hiding to the A class guys, which has got the 1000cc. So within the monoposto group, we all still race against each other. Remember, in the monoposto, that's Formula M monoposto. So within our group, we're all single seaters with all kinds of motors. But then again, A class race within their yearly league or championship. Your B class will have its own championship, but still there's still also an overall. So your B class can pass your A class, can pass the Formula V's, and that makes it even more interesting.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so for the Dewet South and for actually the whole racing thing in all, where did it all start?
Well, for me, and then where Formula M started. So let's start with Formula M. As far as I have it, it's somewhere between a 50 to 70 years where the Formula M is basically running. This car shows me, I think it says here,
70 years.
70 years. So yeah, that's basically, and I know for a fact my car is older than me. So it's been built in somewhere in the 1980s, if I'm correct. So a lot of people knows this car of mine. And then they'll always, track and trace it back to, they'll always give you the history. There's lots of history. And then, so that's pretty much, I haven't gone searching quite into exactly how it started and who started it. But yeah, racing is big. So, and for me, I'm a huge Formula One fan. Like last year, I had the big privilege to go to Abu Dhabi. The last race, yes, of the year. So, and yeah, that's the single-seater open wheel was one of the things I wanted to do, and it is one of the things I love the most.
Speaking on performance, and obviously it's two different cars, I mean. So, what can you tell us about the differences between the two cars, tire-wise?
Yeah, Maniki, obviously I'm sure the tire sizes, I haven't even checked that out yet, but yeah, definitely the tire sizes will differ. Your front wings differ, back wings differ, but the biggest thing that is the biggest difference here is obviously the size, as you can see. More important, speaking of the tires, tire pressure is always going to be different between the two cars.
So let's say, for instance, you know, I'm a new driver and everything, but I do like the bigger shape because it will make me feel like Matt Verstappen. You know, so bigger is better. I'm kidding. Can I put a 600 in here and go?
Bigger is only better on Black Friday. Your question again, Maniki, you just got me there.
Can I put the 600cc into this?
Look, the 600 is going to go in there. It will fit, I'm sure.
Advisable or rather not? You know,
Man, no. I think that the 600, the size of that the 600's got to go with, with the body and all is, it's better that way. So, and I'm not too sure if the 1000 could fit in here, but if the 1000 could fit in here, that would be a big one. Yeah, well, there's nothing that says that the classes is all about your engine size. So the smaller your body work or the lighter your car, because that's what you're also chasing. Having a light car with a powerful engine. Yeah. If that answers your question.
No, so that also answers the worldwide question, size does matter.